We're building an ecosystem that's supported by a hybrid cloud that we built over the past few years, which supports our entire operation. There are different facets or verticals within that ecosystem, whether it be drone training, which we have a very robust online pilot training program called Fly to the Future that's designed to take the average person and make them into a competent drone service provider, provide them with a small business so that they could go out there and be productive citizens in a new and exciting technology.
And so is that they would sort of train, is this like a franchise type thing? They would be, or they would just have to do their own thing and you just be kind of behind the scenes? It's
similar to a franchise. We provide essentially the entire infrastructure for you to train, own your own business. We provide drone insurance for the first year. We also provide you free access to our cloud for a year, being that our drones are connected to our cloud. And we send you out there and we provide you with work when all is said and done through a novel app called Drone on Demand, akin to Uber, where the average person could order drone services through the app, which we then take in through a formal intake process. The job is vetted for legality and then goes through mission planning, dispatch, and then the very operators who train through our program are the ones who get to pick those jobs on the day that the service is required.